In Genesis 1, 3, and 16, we learn about the sixth way to stand for wellness: sunshine. We read, "Then God said, 'Let there be light,' and there was light. Then God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day and the lesser light to rule the night." Can you imagine what it would be like to not see the light of day for a whole month? Imagine how cold the earth would be, how depressed you would feel, how lifeless the planet would be. Life will eventually cease to exist in the complete absence of sunlight. And in preparing for the creation of man, God created light. Sunshine is vital to human life and well-being. Sunlight striking the skin can convert cholesterol into a vitamin D precursor, which is converted to vitamin D in the kidneys. How much sunlight you need depends upon a number of factors. You need more light if you have darker skin, less skin exposed, are getting your sunlight towards morning or evening or during the winter time. If you live farther from the equator, are standing up when you're getting sunlight, or are active when you're getting sunlight. If you live far enough from the equator, it may be very difficult for you to get a sufficient amount of vitamin D through sunshine exposure alone. And in that case, you would need to take a vitamin D3 supplement. Vitamin D is linked to a number of health benefits. It helps to regulate calcium and phosphorus in the body, aiding bone health and helping prevent osteoporosis. It also decreases arthritic problems. Research has shown that vitamin D is an immune system modulator and may be an important way of helping prevent illnesses, even like the common cold. Vitamin D deficiency is implicated in the development of multiple sclerosis, a disorder that causes degeneration of part of the nerve cells in the brain. It also has been associated with improved brain function in the elderly to have sufficient vitamin D. Vitamin D levels correlate with successful weight loss, and it has been shown to decrease asthma symptoms. Vitamin D has also been shown to decrease the risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. And finally, certain cancers are more common in individuals with low vitamin D levels. And that indicates that vitamin D may protect against cancer development. Vitamin D isn't the only benefit of sunshine. Depression is less common and severe in those with adequate sunlight exposure. And in fact, sunshine or ultraviolet therapy is prescribed for individuals with seasonal affective disorder, a type of depression that is seen in individuals during the winter months when there is less sunshine available. Sunlight kills many types of viruses and bacteria and helps with wound healing. It also helps modulate the sleep-wake cycle to regulate the release of melatonin. So get outside on a regular basis and get your sunshine, but be sure not to burn. While skin cancer is a concern, research shows that if we had adequate vitamin D across the world from sunlight exposure, we would avoid 100 deaths for every 1 death from skin cancer. God bless you abundantly as you learn to stand for wellness.